Welcome to Product Critique, where today we're going to dive into the best Beetles nail glue and lamp. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting solution to achieve salon-quality nails at home, this product is the one to consider. Beetles Gel Polish has really outdone themselves with this 9-in-1 nail glue. This formula combines several essential functions in one easy-to-use product. Whether you're applying false nails, securing rhinestones, or using it as a base gel or blooming gel, this nail glue does it all. It's not just an adhesive but a multi-purpose tool for your nail art projects. With its super strong grip, it keeps your nails intact for up to 28 days, even under normal wear and tear. The formula has been carefully designed to provide a safe and low-odor experience, making it a comfortable option for those who want to avoid harsh chemicals. When you use this glue, you'll need a UV LED lamp to cure it. The product is compatible with all soak-off gel nail polishes and can be used with acrylic nails, artificial tips, and more. It's a versatile addition to your nail kit, whether you're creating a simple manicure or more intricate nail designs. The new safe formula makes it an ideal choice for those looking for a strong yet gentle adhesive for their nails. The Beetles 9-in-1 nail glue isn't just a nail glue. It also functions as a slip solution, a decoration sealing gel, and even a brush cleaner. Whether you're creating stunning nail art or simply securing some fake nails, this product covers all the bases. The best part? It ensures that your nails stay in place and look fabulous for weeks. Using this glue is as simple as applying it to your nail tips, curing it under your UV LED lamp, and you're good to go. It's a must-have for anyone who loves nail art, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. So, if you're looking for a nail glue that provides lasting hold, versatility, and ease of use, the Beetles Gel Polish 9-in-1 nail glue with its new formula is definitely worth trying out. That's it for today's review of the Beetles Gel Polish 9-in-1 nail glue. Make sure to check out the product link in the description for more details. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy nail crafting!